Want to turn your image to this? Or this? Open your Filmora 15 and import your image. Drag and drop your image to your editing timeline and go to Effects. Select AI Effects and look for Inferno Grip AI Effect. The AI effect should look like this. Drag and drop the effect on your image. Please note that it will cost 120 AI credits to generate this video. No prompts needed, by the way. Here, you will see the progress of the AI effect. Wait a few moments. Now that it's done, let's take a quick preview. As you can see, it successfully turned the image into a video with fire effects. Since the video had no sounds, let's use Filmora 15's sound library to make it better. Select Audio, then Sound Effects. Look for the following sound effects. Adjust the sound effect if necessary. Once you are satisfied with the sound effects, you may now export your video. Let's try another effect. Import your image, then go to Effects. Search for Thunder Orbit. The AI effect should look like this. Drag the effect and drop it to your image. Click Generate. Wait for a few moments. This is how AI generated the video. Again, no prompts needed. Let's head to Audio, Sound Effects, then look for Glitch. I will flash all the sound effects I used in the screen so you can find them too. Drag and drop the sound effect below your video, then adjust if needed. Once you are satisfied, you may now export and enjoy the results.